Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating your config file and making a backup. This preserves defaults. Navigate to the Counter-Strike 2 CFG folder, then copy the main auto-exec or config file. Once done, rename the copy to config backup. CFG or compress the folder. This gives you a restore point. Now open the live config with Notepad or a simple text editor. Do not use rich text tools. Make small, deliberate edits. You will save and test each change to avoid compounding errors. You'll now modify the middle of the process. Inject precise settings and reasons. Paste or type your sensitivity, binds, and view model at the file top so they load first. Then add network tuning. Rate 786,432 and CL interp 0. 0.31 with CL interp ratio 1 to reduce perceived lag. Once done, set Steam launch options like Novid tick rate 128 and plus exec auto exec. CFG so your config. You finish by securing and validating the config. Save changes, then right-click the file and set read-only to prevent automatic overwrites. This keeps your edits intact. Launch Cs2, run a local server or quick match to verify aim feel, binds, and network behavior. Once done, play a few live rounds to confirm consistency. If something breaks, undo by restoring config backup. CFG, check that plus exec auto exec. CFG matches the file name, and remove duplicate or conflicting commands. This single tip often fixes most failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.